Hello, it's Crafty Ria. I am so glad you are joining me today for another video. Today I have a fun unboxing to do. This is from the Polkadot Pinecone. This is a Destash box that I purchased from her, and I paid the flat rate shipping rate of $13.75, I think it was, and then everything in the box was free. This is going to be so much fun to open, and I can't wait to get started. I'm doing a voiceover on this video because my first audio file was really bad. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I am digging in the box, trying to find some tall stuff. So we have some gorgeous stickers. These are really pretty. These don't have gold on them. Another one has gold. Now we have some game day stickers. These have a nice dimension to them. These are the ones that have gold on them. They're really cool. I like the bicycle and the flamingo and the summery look to some of these. Yeah, see the bicycle there. That's the one I like. Boy, doing voiceover is pretty hard. Okay, anyway, there's that one. I don't remember what I said the first time around. Okay, so we have some more goodies. I love these flower stickers. They look like clear glass. They are so cool, and I think they're from Hobby Lobby, and you can see the gold around the edges. So cool. And of course, I love the bling. That's really cute. This envelope is an envelope, and it is filled with envelopes. Yay! All different sizes and colors. And of course, as a card maker, you know, I will definitely use those envelopes. I can't get them back in, but there we go. All right, cut to the next part. We have a safari chic little paper pack from DCWV. That's Die Cuts with a View. These papers inside are pretty cool. We have some animal prints and a giraffe and peacock, yay! And some pretty butterflies, some ferns, and some other designs that I'm not quite sure what they are. I like that orange. I think that would be good to cut pumpkins from. And then we have some more in the back here. There's, I think, 3 or 4 of each in this little packet. It looks like a fun packet to use. And then we have these 2 pillow boxes in brown. It's a very textured cardstock. They're really kind of nice. I can use those for Happy Mail. Reaching down into the box again to see what else there is. Oh, these stamps are from Stampin' Up. They are very cool. They have some cute sentiments about cows, and I heard the bells on Christmas Day. And this cow has the bells around his neck, so I think that's really cool. They're kind of fun. I will be excited to use these on something. These have been gently used. With these Destash boxes, you just don't know what's in them. It could be something new or it could be something used. But as you can see, they're slightly used, but they will still work just fine. Okay, here's some more goodies. I see some bling on top right there. Oh, I have to adjust stuff first. Okay, here goes the bling. I like that little bit of bling. We have some assorted brads, painted brads in shades of brown. And then these really pretty pink papers. And boy, you can see my face in that. Let's just pretend you can't, okay? Hide that part out. And these are clear pink papers, and they have a green sheen to them when the light hits them. I think they would make good covers for shaker boxes. All right, and then I will reach down into the box. I set the box on the floor so it wouldn't crowd my desk. This is a wooden frame. It made me think of Rosemary from Rosemary's You Rock Art, because she embellishes frames like these. I'm not sure what I will do with this, but I will possibly paint it and put something behind it and make it pretty. Reaching in the box for something else. Let's see what I come up with. I don't remember. Oh, this is a huge pack. Oh, never mind. Forget I said that. We'll come back to it. These are 8.5 by 11 papers. This is a textured black cardstock. Such a nice feel. It is a really good quality cardstock. It feels like Stampin' Up! Cardstock. I don't know if it is or not. It's not marked, but it feels really nice. And these are some thinner cardstocks and papers that are 8.5 by 11 in just some different patterns. The trucks and the cars are kind of cool. And then behind it is this big 12 by 12 pack of shimmery paper. They're all the same. I think there's 20 pieces in there. I don't remember. I think it's by Recollections. And if I would just flip it back over and show you, nope, I'm going to play around with the back. Yep. All right, there we go. I think I gave up because it's all the same. It's this beautiful sparkly front with polka dots in a silver color. And you know, that would be great on winter and Christmas cards. I think that would be really exciting. And then I'm reaching in the box and, oh, there were these 2 sheets. They're kind of curly, but they are a blue glitter paper, and they're smooth. They're not rough like glitter at all. I put them on the bottom of my glitter paper drawer, so hopefully they'll flatten out. But they are very pretty, and they're both 12 by 12, I believe. And let's see what else I pull out. It's been a few days since I did this, so I don't remember what's in the box. Oh, this paper is burlap paper. I don't know what it's from. It might be Die Cuts with a View, because I know they have a burlap stack. But it is burlap, and it is has some white textured dots on it. It's really cool. It's real burlap, and it smells like burlap. And then we have some upside down cats, and I think I'll turn them around. There we go. Those are kind of cool with all those different colors. And I'm talking about them, saying something there, but I don't remember what I was saying. We have a chevron in blue and white after I flip it around. All right, I feel like I'm doing sports play-by-play here. And on the back is polka dots. And then we have some polka dots here. And is there anything on the back? I don't know. Yes, I like the back better. It looks like wallpaper. And then here we have some polka dots again. These are from the Polkadot Pinecone, of course. Maybe that's why there's a lot of polka dots. These are glossy polka dots. And I think I should hold them up. There you go. You can see how glossy they are. Very cool. And we have some more pink polka dots that I'm pointing to. And here I'm explaining, you see that stripe on the bottom? Well, it shows you, for most papers, it shows you what's on the back. It's kind of a cheater bar. We have some big polka dots. They look like painted polka dots and scallops on the back. That would be good for a water paper, maybe. The scallops looks like water. And some smaller polka dots. Hello, dream today. I wonder how many times I say polka dots. See, we have more polka dots. Somebody count them and let me know how many times I say polka dots in this video. There's more polka dots. Here's some baby words. And on the back is a peach color. We have some ice cream cones, which are fun for the summer, and that's a good summer polka dot print on the back. Here we have some stripes and flags and some hearts, and I don't know what it is on the back, and more baby stuff. This looks like a baby boy piece of paper, and graph paper, I think, on the back, and flowers, and some sort of like rattan looking background, and some big polka dots. And these little guys, I like how the one little guy is a different color. Deer, maybe? Are they deer? I think they're deer. Lambs or deer, I can't tell. And then some shapes on the back, and some feathers, and I'm not going to say it, those round things. And we have some elephants. And the elephants have words on them. I think I hold it up so you can see. It's very cool. They look like they're made out of newsprint. And the floral and the stripes and the diagonal stripes. And LOL, awesome, OMG, wow, all those fun, cute words on the back. And more of these things that I'm not going to say again. And a pink ribbon. And some upside down, right side up butterflies. And there's 2 sheets of that, but nothing on the back. And then we have these little designs. And I like this flower on the bottom. And that could be just cut out by itself on a card. And that also looks like a sewing pattern. Very cool. And then we have some blocks and some stripes. I really like these birds. They're really kind of cool. And I must put my hand over it like that for some reason. I don't know what I was saying, but just imagine whatever I would normally say. And I'm pointing to that for some reason. I don't remember why. And this is graph paper on the back. We have some swirly stuff and some more of those things that I'm not going to say anymore. All right, so I'm reaching in the bag or the box, and I'm picking out something else. Oh, ribbon. This is a ton of ribbon. We have some beautiful grosgrain ribbons, real thick ones, and all sorts of colors, and some satin ribbon as well. And what was really nice, I have them in a big mess, but when I went to put them away, she has them tied really nice in like a big long ponytail. So I just hung them up on a hanger in my closet. I have a closet in my craft room because it is a bedroom. So that's what I did, and they hung up really nice. So they are much neater than that. I didn't have to sort them at all. Surprise bag. I like the little bag. I will save it for Happy Mail. And inside is flowers. We have all kinds of flowers and leaves. I'm showing you the inside of the bag, but then I'm going to empty it anyway. A big white flower. Oh, that white flower I think is very sparkly, but I don't think it shows on the camera at all. And then I shove them all back in the bag. I went ahead and sorted those into my flower jars. I have mini apothecary type jars. They used to hold earplugs, and they're on a shelf, and I have them in the colors of the rainbow, full of flowers. They look really pretty. And I'm pointing at something. I may have been telling you about the apothecary jars. And then I grab more stuff out of the box. What will be in that envelope? We don't know. I probably should have clipped this part out, but I didn't. Okay, so this is from that Project Life is what it's called. I couldn't remember what it was called. These are hollow little frames. I think they would be good to use for shaker boxes. I don't do Project Life. but I'm thinking they would make nice shaker box covers. Here we have some big black eyelets, the bigger size, whatever it is, 1/4 of an inch or something. This is some really pretty purple felt ribbon, or not felt, velvet ribbon. It's very pretty. Of course, purple is my favorite color. We have this little bracelet. It says, home of the free because of the brave, red, white, and blue. And this is some more purple ribbon with little ghosts on it. And they are very cute. There you go. And if you notice my nails, I have peacocks on my nails. And they are from the Flamingo Lady Nails. And I will put a link in the description box below. And this is these are some little chalkboards on clips. And this is, I think this is the last thing. This is an envelope, really cool envelope that I will save and reuse, of course. And inside we have some bling and some buttons. There you go. I'm showing you how cute the envelope is. We have some diamond wrap. We have some of that adhesive bling, and the one on the right is a really neat color that I don't have, like an antiqued color. And we have some things that I'm dropping. These are some neat adhesive bling circles. And then the buttons, and then those little enamel dot type things. There we go. I think this is the end of the box, and I'm moving my hands around talking. I'm probably telling you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Go check out the Polkadot Pinecone. She does sell some stuff, and she does destashes and gives away stuff if you just pay for shipping. She's really sweet. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Check out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea. And I would love it if you did. It's a great group over there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the fun voiceover. I've never done this before. I actually had to order a new microphone for it because I didn't have a USB microphone to work in my computer. Oh, there it goes. I told you there to subscribe to my channel. And I'm not sure what I'm saying now, but yeah, I feel like kind of an idiot right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. My hand's not going to point when I want it to, but go get crafting. Bye-bye.